Jiten Hazarika was born in Assam in 1936. His innate artistic talents were apparent in childhood. Jiten graduated in civil engineering in 1963 and was commissioned in the Corps of Engineers, Indian Army, in 1964. Attaining the rank of colonel, he retired prematurely in 1990 to devote himself to painting. Jiten has accumulated a deep and abiding knowledge of philosophy and Sanskrit literature, and this is reflected in his painting, as are his boyhood memories of day-to-day life in rural Assam. His work has been the subject of academic research even at the doctoral level. Various universities have honored him. He had held several exhibitions in India and abroad. His innate artistic talent, which was apparent from childhood, was an oddity in his humble milieu and a source of great joy to his parents. He is self-taught artist and he come from a remote village. He worked with sindoor, ground quinine tablets, turmeric paste, glue and soot from the lamps when he picked up learning the art. During those times, he never knew anything like canvas or mediums like oil, acrylic etc., but my mother encouraged me to follow my passion. She was a dexterous craftswoman. The way she wove cloth was exemplary, utterly with fastidiousness. Jiten's work isn't wholly abstract or completely realistic. It can be broadly categorized as figurative abstract. It is a highly individualistic interpretation of our visual reality. For him the subject matter of a painting is subsidiary, he revels instead in the sheer joy of creation. He is concerned mostly with an eye-catching rhythm, vibrant color harmonies, and arresting spatial configuration, the product of his fertile imagination. He is a valiant artist essaying oil on canvas with diligence and acumen.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.